Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes. These are the two separate Trout Creeks. Here we have two houses almost identical. This is the bottom part of the Trout Creek model, and the other side is another Trout Creek, a different one. These are spacious, and as you can see from the pictures and video on the website, they're beautiful. There's going to be a truss in the center here. This is an open great room, again, single level, except we're doing something a little different. Some of these are now getting a loft right there. And notice the flat spot underneath the log. This is where a frame wall will get built against that. There's a 4-inch gap between the flat and the top of your frame wall for settling, because logs settle. But there's a nice flat spot to trim the wall against that flat spot. There's a wall here, there's a wall here for bathrooms and the different dividers in this area. Kitchen right here, a bar island usually, dining room and living room. And the windows get configured differently based on what some people prefer. This is a guest bedroom, and here is a nice big master bedroom. This is a little larger than normal, so this got expanded. Small entry mudroom coming in from the outside porch. So that's really nice. You get in there, put your shoes off, and then you go into the house. This Trout Creek top goes on to a different Trout Creek. The bottom floor is already built and removed and stacked out because we build the bottom floor first and then the top part. So this is 100% great room, cathedral vaulted in the whole house, except for the small loft over here. Small sleeping area or storage area. Bathrooms down below, kitchen where I'm standing. They're building the truss for the center great room truss, and then glass out front. Guest bedroom in that area. And over here is master bedroom. In normal construction, everything that we do is log gable to the peak. The log purlins get it fit in these notches. You can see how the logs go through here and they sit in the notches. So it's log all the way to the peak. Unless you want to look at a house that is custom, very custom, and it's got frame walls and some timber framing upstairs, not all log. These are the two separate Trout Creeks, and I hope you enjoy that. Subscribe and keep on the lookout for more videos. Thanks for watching.